Hi guys, it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby. Welcome back to the channel. Today we have a brand new die set. This is the Fresh Farm tag set and it's really cute. It goes great with the new paper collections that we have this month. It also goes great with this stamp set that's available as a separate purchase on the website. This is our chicken sentiments, and the sentiments in here are really funny. So I'll go over what these say, but they fit nicely on the tag. So we are going to make this super cute tag today. So stick around and we can make this tag together. Let me give you the measurements of the tag. So this tag is going to measure 4 inches long. And going wide, we are at 2 3/8. So the cute little chicken is about 1 inch tall from the body. From the head, it's about probably 1.5. And let's see, long from the nose to the tail is about 2 inches. Just to give you an idea of the size of that. So let me read off the sentiments for you. So we've got the first one, crazy chicken lady. I just want to drink my coffee and pet my chickens. Guess what? Chicken butt. We used to say that all the time when we were little. They call me the chicken whisperer. Chicken mama. This chick don't give a cluck. I'm fluent in foul language. And welcome to our coop. And then we've just got a silhouette here of the hen, the rooster, and the babies, and some eggs. So really funny set. Great to go with your farm-themed crafting supplies. So let's go ahead and make this cute tag. So I just wanted to show you, you can color your die cuts with ink, Copic markers, watercolors, any coloring medium, or you can cut your die cuts out on patterned paper or solid cardstock. Today we're going to do some Distress ink blending on our die cuts. So I'm going to go ahead and use the Candied Apple in Distress ink and color up the top of the little hens. The top of the hen here with the red. And this part here is going to be the head. So that is going to get covered up like so. So we can color this part of the hen a different color. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to use some orange. I'm just going to take my orange marker and color the beak. Let me see if I have any orange Distress ink. Oh, I do have orange Distress ink. So I'm going to use, let's use Spiced Marmalade. So I'm just going to take one of my little brushes and just cover that with orange. I'm going to do the tail in Wild Honey and Brown. And then I'm going to do the body in the Distress ink Ground Espresso. And I'm going to go back with the Wild Honey and blend the little tail into the Ground Espresso. Okay, I'm just going to go back and forth until I'm happy with this blend between these two colors. And then I have to decide what color to do this part of the hen. And I think I will do that in the Wild Honey. My wild honey is kind of dark because my brush is dirty. So it's kind of a brownish yellow. Okay, so I'm going to go over the little top again to make that a little bit darker. I got some brown on it. Okay, so now I think I can glue that down. Oh, I forgot about his little wing. So I'm going to do that one in the yellow color. There we go. And so when you cut your tag out, the little hole from the top of your tag is going to be the eye. You can always just paint your eye in if you wanted, but you can use this little piece for your eye. So what I'm going to do is just dab on some black Copic marker. And that will be my eye. Okay, so I'm going to add some glue to the back of this. Let's put this all together. And this is going to line up down here. Oops. Okay, so the tops touch the edges here. And then we'll have the little wing like so. I'm going to pick up the little eye. Let's add a dot of glue where we want that. Okay, we got our cute little hen. I'm going to add some blush because our critters are always cute with blush. And I'm just going to rub on some pink blush. Okay, and now we can make a cool background for our hen to sit on. We have a little strip here that will go at the bottom. We can color up our Sentiment Farm Fresh Eggs. Now, you can use this tag without the characters or the farm theme and use it on any other project you want. You can add these little circles to the bottom, or you can leave them off. You can just get creative. You could probably punch little holes at the bottom too. That would look cute. There's a little star here, so I'm going to paint that little star the honey color. And I'm just going to dab and smoosh on that color. And then the little circles at the bottom, I think I'm going to do the red color. So I want this all to tie in together. Okay, so there's the little circles done. I think I'm going to do the words in some of the red, maybe do an ombre. So I'm going to do red at the top. Now I'm going to do red at the bottom and then maybe the honey at the top. So I think a little ombre would be cute. That looks cute. Oops, let's get some red on there and do the rest of these. Okay, so we have our words done, our little chick. This little strip here, let's bring in a new color. I'm thinking about what colors I want to do the background. I want it to be a little bit of contrast between these colors. So let me take a look. And let's bring in some scattered straw on the other side. I didn't clean off my brush. I'm just going to blend all this together. And I'm going to do the orange on the bottom. And my brush is not cleaned off, so it's not going to be totally orange. So what I'm going to do is take some water and splash some water droplets on my tag. So I'm going to just arrange this on here. And I'm going to cover up the eye because I colored that with Copic markers. I don't want anything to smear. I'm not sure if it will or not, but I am just going to cover this area up so I don't get any water there. And I'm going to just put some in my hand, just a little splash of water, take it and flick it down onto my surface here. And this is just going to give a cute little look. And I'm just going to dab it up with this cloth and let that dry, and then we'll put this tag together. Okay, at the end I'm going to splatter some white acrylic paint. I just like the way it looks against the vibrant colors from the Distress inks. So I added some foam tape to the back of this, but let's put this down first. And then the little circles, I'm going to add a glue dot in the center of these scallops. And let's see if I have any tweezers. That would make it a little easier for me to grab onto these little circles and lay them down. I actually have some really good tweezers in the shop that I should really pick up for myself. So I want to move this up a little bit. I should have paid attention to that. So when you're adding this, make sure you have enough room for your little circles because you want them to go up just a little bit around there. Okay, now I want to put my sentiment down. I've got farm fresh eggs, and I'm going to have this little hen down here at the bottom, so I want to make sure I'm adding my sentiments where we could see them. And I think I'm going to have it something like this. So we'll add some glue to the back of our first word. And I'm going to put that towards the top corner here on the left. And then we'll have this guy maybe straight. And we'll have the eggs on a little angle. Now you could always add a different sentiment. If you don't want to do the farm fresh eggs, you have some stamps, some lovely sentiments that you can also use. We have this great add-on stamp this month with a bunch of chicken sentiments that would go perfect with the image. You can add that to your card as well. And then I have a space here for my little star. And I'm going to have the little bow up here at the top. We're going to give the little hen some hay to sit on. And I'm just going to be using some crinkled paper, the kind you find when you get a little gift in a gift bag or something like that. So we'll have this cute little chick. Let's see, I want to put that more in the center. A little bit more over. Actually, I'm going to have it on a little bit of an angle and then have room for the little stuffing underneath there. I'm going to add a little bit of glue. I usually like to add hot glue for this, but let's see if this will stick. And then under here, let me add just a little glue under there. And then I can just stuff this under. Use my pick to kind of push it down. Okay, so I added the little crinkle paper to the bottom. I'm going to pop my star up with some foam tape. And I'm going to add that to the top. Okay, so now I'm going to add some splatters with the white gouache. All you need is a tiny little bit, and then add some water and then mix it together. Then I'm going to get my splatter box so I don't get it everywhere. Okay, now I'm just going to tap on some little white speckles. And I'm going to try to get some finer ones. Let's see. Okay, I think that is the look I am going for. Okay, so here is the finished tag. It turned out really super cute. I think you'll have a lot of fun with the tag shape. It's a really, really nice size and shape. And I think it's going to be a really cute staple in your stash. So I'm going to have the link down below to the tag die, and I'll have a link to all the other Not Too Shabby products. So thanks so much for watching, guys, and I will see you real soon. Bye, guys.